Today we are going to talk about the speech enhancement. For example, this is audio and we want to remove the background noise from it. We are not going to use Audacity for it, but we are going to use a Python script. So if you listen to a piece of there, you can see this is a background noise. So these are the kind of the background noise we enhance audio.
Let me record a very noisy audio and I will see if this audio something happened to it or what kind of noise it can suppress. I will try to make this.
As you can see, let's run notebook. Let's create a new Jupyter notebook. We are going to use a Python kernel and select it. The library which we are going to use, we can import it from df and import, enhance and initialize the df. So this is the loading of the library. We can simply load the library like this. Then to initialize the model, we can simply call this init underscore df function, and it will return a model which you can use to denoise your audio from the background noise, and it will also return a df state. Yes, the library we are using is DeepFilterNet 2, and if you see, this is the clean audio.
The cow wandered from the farmland and became lost, not when she had waited so long already.
And if you see the noisy, this is the spectrogram of the noisy signal. And
the cow wandered from the farmland and became lost, not when she had waited so long already. He believed that grey boys didn't cry.
As you can hear that there is a lot of background noise, including the traffic sound and heavy noise. But when you filter it with the RNN noise, you will see that it is filtered like this.
The cow wandered from the farmland and became lost, not when.
But still, the noise is hearable. But if we filter it with
the cow wandered from the farmland and became lost, not when she had waited so long already. He believed that grey boys didn't cry.
As you can hear that the noise is completely removed, so the speech is very much enhanced. Maybe while I editing, lot of the noise is suppressed already, but or you may not listen the actual response which I assume you should. Then you can go to this link and you can test it. So here is the GitHub repository, noisy audio and df state and model, and you simply use this enhance function from the library and you pass a model, a df state and a noisy audio, and it will return you with an enhanced audio. So let's create first of all load this noisy audio. The installation of this library is pretty straightforward. You have to install the PyTorch and then torch audio, and then you have to install this torch stable dependency, and after that, when you have a stable PyTorch dependency which should be greater than or equal to at least 1.9 version of the PyTorch, and then you can simply pip install DeepFilterNet, and you will get a DeepFilterNet library which you can pretty straightforward use like this. We can load the audio with the traditional including numpy, scipy.io for wave file, and to display it we can use the ipython.display and import the audio with sampling rate and data. We have a wave file.read, and this is a simple plain wave file, and we can display this like this, and so that we can play it in Jupyter notebook. And here
we will not be held responsible for any hearing impairments or damage caused to you from excessive exposure to this sound.
As you can see, this is a noisy audio which we will filtering with the help of deep learning model, which is a deep filter library. The df utility also provide a utils function which have a facility to download the file. So if you want to download the file from some link, you can use this utility to download any file you want. To download the file, all you have to do is to call this function and provide a link where your file is from to be downloaded, and then you can provide a downloading directory, because we just pointing out that it should be downloaded into the current directory. The file will be downloaded in the current directory. So that's all for to download from this utility. Now we can use this let's take this down so that we can utilize the noisy audio. We have this audio path. We can use this returned audio path to load the file using another df.enhance function, which is to load audio, and we can call this load audio with the audio path provided by this, and then we can simply have to provide the sr which will be taken from the df state and the df state.sr. So this will be the sr taken from a model. So make sure you already initialized the model like with the init df function, and now your audio is loaded. To enhance this audio and to save it, you can simply use this enhanced function, and then you can save it with the same save audio function available in df.enhance library, and you can call this function. You have to provide the enhanced.wave file name and then the enhanced audio returned from this one, and df state.sr, and as you can see it will be done within a second, and your audio is now enhanced. Let's reload the file and demonstrate in IPython, and we'll provide this enhance.wave file, and if we run it now, you will listen to the enhanced audio which is filtered using the DeepFilterNet.
We will not be held responsible for any hearing impairments or damage caused to you from excessive exposure to this sound.
If you want to listen to the noisy audio again to see the difference,
We will not be held responsible for any hearing impairments or damage caused to you from excessive exposure to this sound.
and this is the cleaned audio.
We will
enhanced
not be
audio.
held responsible for any hearing impairments or damage caused to you from excessive exposure to this sound.
So that's all for today's video. I